Good morning, students. See here, page number 21, question number 13. Describe how a potentiometer is used to compare the EMFs of two cells by sum and difference method or combination method. The EMFs of two cells can be compared also by another method called sum and difference method or combination method. See here, figure A, that is sum method. Figure B, difference method. When two cells are connected so that the positive terminal of first cell is connected to negative terminal of the second cells as shown in figure A. Here, see here in figure A, sum method, that is positive terminal of this cell is connected to negative terminal of second cell. Here, the EMF of the two cells are added up and the effective EMF of combination of two cells is epsilon 1 plus epsilon 2. This method of connecting two cells is called the sum method. When two cells are connected so that their negative terminals are connected together, or their positive terminals are connected together as shown in figure B. See here in figure B, negative terminal is connected to negative terminal and positive terminal is connected to positive terminal. That is figure B for difference method. In this case, their EMF oppose each other and effective EMF of the combination of two cells is epsilon 1 minus epsilon 2 since epsilon 1 is greater than epsilon 2 assumed. This method of connecting two cells is called a difference method. But this combination of cells is not a parallel combination of cells. See here, diagram for EMF comparison by sum and difference method. This is whole figure. In figure 1, the four-way key is connected. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4 are shown by K1, K2, K3 and K4 respectively. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. In figure, let RH is rheostat, K is key, epsilon is battery, epsilon 1 and epsilon 2, two cells, capital J is jockey, capital G galvanometer, AB is potentiometer wire. When keys K1 and K3 are closed, the cells epsilon 1 and epsilon 2 are in the sum mode. The null point is obtained using the jockey. Let L1 is the length of wire between the null point and the point A. This corresponds to EMF into bracket epsilon 1 plus epsilon 2. Therefore, epsilon 1 plus epsilon 2 is equal to K into L1, equation number 1. Now, keys K1 and K3 are kept open and keys K2 and K4 are closed. Here, two cells are in the difference mode. Again, the null point is obtained using the jockey. Let L2 is the length of wire between the null point and the point A. This corresponds to EMF epsilon 1 minus epsilon 2. Therefore, epsilon 1 minus epsilon 2 is equal to K into L2, equation number 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, epsilon 1 divided by epsilon 1 minus epsilon 2 is equal to L1 divided by L2. By componendo and dividendo method, we get epsilon 1 upon epsilon 2 is equal to L1 plus L2 upon L1 minus L2. Equation number 3. Thus, EMFs of two cells can be compared.